Hello, my name is Melissa Reed Devine and I'm here today to demonstrate some gorgeous little stuffed animals with block printed faces, just to show you all the wonderful things we can do with block printing ink. So for the block printing, we've already made a video. If you look at the link down below, and you'll see how to make them. Very easy. These are the two I've made. So I didn't decide if I wanted silly or a little bit more glamorous. So first of all, you need to cut out your stuffed animal and work out where you want its face. So we've got the little rabbit here, so I'm going to have his face, her face, its face, just there. So you can be very careful and draw it out on your as a template or just cite it like I'm about to. So we're working on fabric, so you do need some fabric fixative in your ink. So here's some, I'll do black because it stands out quite well, but you can have any of the wonderful colours we have. Put it on a slab, something smooth. I'm going to put some drops of fixative in there. This will make it wash fast, so once you heat fix it, it will it won't wash away. So you mix it in with the block ink, and you need a roller to really roll it smooth. So you don't want any lumpy bits of ink or paint on your block. Now you can get your block and press it down like a stamp, or I'm putting my printmaker's hat on now and just rolling over it gently with the roller, which is charged with ink. And we'll see how we go. Make sure you've got the side of material that you want to print on. And I'm just pretending his face is going to be about there. And all you need to do is put some pressure down. Luckily the blocks are very soft and pliable, so they should really get into the fibres of the fabric. Oh yes, I'm always pleased when it works. And there's a little rabbit ready to sew up. And here is my little rabbit, and he's doing a little dance. Say goodbye. Thank you.